Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of bromine tetrafluoride ion. It has a chemical formula of BrF₄, and for that, we'll count the total number of valence electrons. We have one bromine atom that has 7 valence electrons, 4 fluorine atoms that has 7 valence electrons each, and this negative charge here represents gain of an additional electron, and when we'll add this up, we'll get a total of 36 valence electrons. Now for the arrangement of atoms, we'll put bromine in the center and arrange fluorine atoms around it somewhat like this. And to show a bond between these atoms, we'll also put pair of electrons in between each atoms. Now as you can see, each fluorine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we'll go ahead and assign 6 to each fluorine atom. We are left with 4 more electrons that will be assigned to bromine atom. Here bromine has more than 8 electrons in its outermost shell, but that's okay as it can expand its octet and can hold more than 8 electrons. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons and each and every atom in this Lewis structure has complete outer shell. So this is the final Lewis structure of BrF₄. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching.